Cubism wasn't just another art style, it was a revolution. Born in Paris between 1907 and 1914, Georges Braque of France and Pablo Picasso of Spain shattered centuries of tradition and redefined how the world could be seen on canvas. Together, they sparked a movement that spread across Europe and beyond, inspiring painters, sculptors, and even architects. At its core, Cubism challenged the single fixed viewpoint that had dominated European painting since the Renaissance. Instead, it revealed multiple perspectives at once, breaking objects apart and reassembling them in bold, unexpected ways. A Cubist painting wasn't just a window into the world anymore. It became a physical object, a stage for the artist's own vision and response to reality. This daring approach transformed modern art forever. In fact, many call it the most radical artistic revolution since the Renaissance itself. Want to delve deeper into the bold movements that shaped the art world? Join us as we explore the ideas, the artists, and the stories behind the masterpieces. Visit seedgallerynewyork.com.